friends, welcome back to Kevin Bro's channel. Let's see some interesting facts about the talking bird, parrot. Let's get into the video. There are many types of parrots. Kakapo is one of them. Did you know that these birds cannot fly? However, they can jump and climb trees. Did you know that parrots can eat with their feet? Because their feet are of different type. They have 4 toes in each foot, 2 facing forward and 2 facing backward. Did you know that parrots can live up to 100 years? A small parrot can live 15 to 20 years and a medium-sized parrot can live 25 to 30 years. But a large parrot can live up to 100 years. Parrots can learn to say hundreds of words. That's all for today. Hope you liked it. Share this with a friend who likes parrot or has a parrot. Thank you for watching.